In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extend the C drive in Windows 10 and Windows 11 without using any additional software. This process is straightforward and will only take about 5 minutes of your time. Let's dive right in and make sure you have the space you need on your C drive. First, we're going to open the Run dialog. You can do this by pressing the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard simultaneously. This action brings up the Run window, a quick access tool that's quite handy for running commands directly. Now that you have the Run dialog open, type in diskmgmt.msc and hit Enter. This command opens the Disk Management tool, a built-in utility in Windows that helps manage your system's drives. It's very user-friendly and doesn't require any advanced technical skills to navigate. Once Disk Management is open, take a look at the layout of your drives. What you're looking for is an area labeled Unallocated immediately to the right of your C drive. This unallocated space is crucial as it represents the unused storage that we can allocate to your C drive. Next, right-click on your C drive. A context menu will appear, providing you with several options. From this menu, you're going to select Extend Volume. This option allows you to add more space to your C drive, essentially combining the unallocated space with your current drive allocation. You'll be greeted by the Extend Volume wizard. This is where the magic happens. The wizard will guide you through a series of steps. Simply follow the on-screen instructions, organizing your thoughts and decisions at each prompt. Click Next when you're ready, and finally, Finish to complete the process. What this does is seamlessly add the unallocated space to your C drive, increasing its total capacity. That's it. With those simple steps, you've successfully extended your C drive. This approach is swift and doesn't require any third-party software, making it not only efficient but also secure. Remember, keeping some unallocated space available isn't a bad idea either, especially if you plan to partition your drives differently in the future, or just want some room to maneuver with new installations. By freeing up or reassigning space using disk management, you ensure that your system runs efficiently without any bumps or slowdowns due to lack of drive space. If you ever find your C drive filling up again, you now know exactly how to extend it. Thank you for watching, and remember to keep your files and system well organized. Keep exploring your computer's potential and have a fantastic day.